what's your personal criteria for what makes a contestant deserving of the title PG Teen Champion? At saka, how does it feel, you have the power to change someone's life, diba, with one vote? Or the judge? Miss Eugene siguro, let's start.
Ako na muna.
Go, Yuge.
Ang ganda ng tanong, thank you. Ang hirap ng tanong because bawat act,
Justin.
iba yung nararamdaman ko eh. Personally. Parang minsan, gusto kong makita na napaka-talented. Pero minsan, pag may humarap sa'yo na hindi naman talaga ganun ka extraordinary yung talent, pero grabe, sobra yung charm, sobra yung sense of humor, talagang namamagnetize yung audience. So that, in other words, I cannot really pinpoint what I am looking for. Most of the time, it's gut feel. And most of the time, I go to the basic, which is, masarap ka bang panoorin? Alam mo yung gano'n. So, that's what I think. That's what I observed from the past tapings that we already had.
Hi, good afternoon. Okay, that's a very beautiful question. Sige, I'll start muna with the first one. Yung my personal criteria, just for me, myself. I think, of course, unang-una is the uniqueness. Kasi this is season 7, so ang dami nang nagdaan sa Pilipinas Got Talent, especially FMG has been here since season 1. And siya yung nagsasabi sa amin na parang I've seen this, ganyan. And kami naman bago lang dito. So, when I say uniqueness, it can be singing, pero parang your own flavor. It can be dancing as a group or dancing individually, pero ano yung talent na kahit na panoorin ko siya ngayon and 5 years from now, ito yung klaseng performance na hindi ko makakalimutan at saka yung klaseng performance na kaya ko siyang panoorin 5 years from now tapos ma-amaze pa rin ako. That's hard. Kasi diba, ang daming pwedeng kumanta, sumayaw, or kung ano mang acts na pati kami na surpresa pwede nilang gawin. Pero parang ang hirap ng performance na tatatak sa'yo and some performance na mag-represent sa Philippines, di ba? So it's really hard. And pangalawa siguro yung uniqueness and then of course talent. We're looking for all kinds of talent, kung ano man yan. And pati kami mga judges, nasusurprise na kanya-kanyang talento ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng kalokohan na naging talent. Ang interesting niya panoorin. So every time nandito kami to tape, para kaming, akala ko medyo chill lang siya eh. Since, sa studio. Pero it's draining. Emotionally, all emotions. Parang lahat ng tao makakausap mo. And it's different when you're up there. And makikita mo siya ng malapit, yung mga nag-perform. And lastly, siguro, I'm looking for parang your passion, just like us artists, di ba? Iba siguro, if yes, you have a talent, but it really, parang iba yung nabibigay ng fire within you, your passion. So, nararamdaman namin na if you're just doing it for the sake of winning, for the money, or if you're just doing it para mag-trending, or pinapakita mo yung talent mo because you want to showcase world-class Filipino talent, then that's different. So, for me, a unique talent, then that's a champion. So I'm looking for those 3 things.
Grabe naman yun. First of all, before I answer the question, gusto ko lang sabihin, ang ganda-ganda ng trailer. First time namin mapanood yun as a group. Diba guys, hindi pinapakita sa amin kasi gusto nila surprise. So, maraming salamat sa Pro Team. Congratulations guys. Nakaka-good vibes, nakaka-excite. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Alright, so to answer your question, siguro para sa akin, it's what type of performance will move the room. The type of performance na after ninyo mapanood, mag-shift yung environment. Ang ganong klaseng performance. Kasi ang dami namin nakikitang talent and sometimes it goes beyond that eh. You look at the charisma, you look at the personality, you look at how they conduct themselves. So I think we're also looking within. Yung nakikita natin na gaano ba kalala yung fire nila. How bad do they want this? Ganun. Kasi marami din kami nakitang talent na okay lang yung nakita nating fire. So, there's a lot that goes into it. And we always talk about it as judges or even with the hosts. To even answer your second question, ano yung feeling na meron kaming sort of power or say sa magiging next big thing or the winner of this contest. Of course, it's a very big responsibility. But I think because everyone here is really putting in all of their efforts to really come up with the best possible way we can fairly judge and critique all these contestants. I think the production did a good job in making sure na lahat ng sasabak dito, everyone has a fair chance. And dito, since first time ko sa PGT, dito ko nung nakita talaga na ibang klase yung talento ng Pinoy na kailangan talaga makita ng world stage. So yun yung hinahanap. Yun yung puso ng show. So, yeah, and it's been a crazy experience so far. The most intense thing is never namin malalaman kung ano ba o sino bang makita natin to walk out of this stage, and that's what makes it so cool. So just to be part of this, it's truly a blessing.
Alam nyo, surprisingly, ang gagaling ng mga bagong judges namin. Ako naman, I've been judging for the last 6 years and this is 7th year. Masyado na akong jaded, nakita ko ng lahat eh. So it's so difficult for me to look for that right talent that would make a difference. But definitely, Kako, there's only one word that will describe. Yung wow factor. Pag tinamaan ka niyan, alam mo na, eto na yun. Which they described in so many words, no? How the room will change with Donnie, right? How it affects you. But it's really hard to judge. And these people are so nice na mabait sila sa mga talents. Na pag nando sila, nilalapitan pa nila. At sabihin, sige, umulit ka ulit, magaling ka naman eh. So I love working with these people.